Welcome to Microchip's briefing. The content of the briefing includes: Silicon Valley saw OpenAI with eyes wide shut. Global markets: Japan shares hit 3-decade highs, other Asia stocks mixed. Asia shares off to slow start, lot of easing already priced in. The multi-billion-dollar split behind the shocking OpenAI coup. UK autumn statement: Black Friday heralds holiday retail binge. Silicon Valley saw OpenAI with eyes wide shut. Reuters breaking views. The article discusses the recent ousting of Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, a Microsoft-backed artificial intelligence company. Despite efforts to bring Altman back, the company still faces challenges including unproven technology, governance risks, and regulatory uncertainty. OpenAI's valuation of $86 billion is also called into question, as its governance structure and the quality of its AI technology are both areas of concern. Additionally, the article highlights the need for continued improvement in AI technology and the potential impact of government regulations on the industry. The company's shaky valuation and the high expectations of investors are also noted, with comparisons to other tech companies' market reactions to AI-related incidents. Overall, the article suggests that OpenAI may face continued challenges and potential risks to its future success. Global markets: Japan shares hit 3-decade highs, other Asia stocks mixed. Yahoo! Asian shares were mixed as investors continued to watch the U.S. interest rate outlook. Japan's Nikkei added 0.6% to reach a level not seen since 1990. On the other hand, MSCI's broadest index of Asia-Pacific shares outside Japan inched up 0.1%. The Black Friday sales are expected to test the U.S. economy this week. Asia shares off to slow start, lot of easing already priced in. Reuters. Asian shares opened slowly on Monday, with market valuations looking stretched given they have already priced in aggressive global policy easing for next year. The Black Friday sales this week will test the pulse of the consumer-driven U.S. economy, while the Thanksgiving holiday will make for thin markets. Israel, the U.S. and Hamas have reportedly reached a tentative agreement to free dozens of hostages in Gaza in exchange for a 5-day pause in fighting. However, there has been no official confirmation yet. The multi-billion-dollar split behind the shocking OpenAI coup. The Sydney Morning Herald. OpenAI, the parent company of the chatbot ChatGPT, is facing turmoil due to competing visions for the development of artificial intelligence, AI, embedded in its corporate structure. OpenAI was founded as a not-for-profit organization with a mission to develop safe AI that benefits humanity. However, in 2019, OpenAI created a for-profit entity within the group structure to compete with other tech companies for staff and raise funds. The corporate structure and board composition of OpenAI reflect a focus on safety over profits, with little commercial expertise. OpenAI's CEO, Sam Altman, has been focused on commercializing ChatGPT and has been successful in partnering with large businesses and developers. Altman's ambition collided with the board's cautious approach to AI development, leading to his removal. Altman is open to returning to OpenAI with a new board and governance structure. The conflict within OpenAI reflects a larger dilemma in the AI industry about whether the development of AI should continue without hindrance or be subjected to greater scrutiny to mitigate potential risks. UK autumn statement: Black Friday heralds holiday retail binge. Financial Times. The Chancellor of the Exchequer, Jeremy Hunt, will deliver the autumn statement to MPs in Westminster on Wednesday. The speech is expected to announce inheritance and business tax cuts, as well as other measures aimed at reigniting growth for the UK economy. This will be the headline event on the UK calendar this week. In the US, shoppers will be heading out on Black Friday after Thanksgiving on Thursday. This event traditionally generates the majority of the year's sales for retailers. President Joe Biden will be hoping for a burst of consumer spending to boost his polling numbers. Earnings season is coming to an end, with announcements from Nvidia, Best Buy and AO World on Tuesday. There is also a range of economic news and data to be released this week, including G7 Purchasing Managers Index data, inflation updates from Japan and Canada, and China's monthly loan prime rate fixing announcement. Altman sought billions for AI chip venture before OpenAI ouster. Yahoo! Sam Altman, who was recently ousted from OpenAI, had been fundraising in the Middle East for a semiconductors venture called Tigris that would compete with Nvidia, according to people familiar with the matter. Altman had also been speaking with investors including SoftBank and Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund about a hardware device he was developing with former Apple designer Johnny Ive. Altman was removed from his role after a review found he had not been consistently candid with the board, and his ambitions for the side ventures added complexity to his relationship with the board, sources said. Nvidia results: more retail earnings, what to know this week. Yahoo! Chip giant Nvidia's quarterly report is slated for Tuesday, while Lowe's, John Deere, Best Buy, and Zoom are also expected to release results. The drama surrounding Sam Altman's ouster and potential return at ChatGPT maker OpenAI, which kicked off late Friday, will also be in focus given the role the AI boom has played in catalyzing this year's market rally and Microsoft's sizable investment in the AI startup. Hello, I am Dr. Six, your resident observer from the sixth dimension, here to bring you the latest news from across the dimensions. Let's dive into the recent events in the world of technology, finance, and global markets. First off, the ousting of Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, has caused quite a stir in the tech world. The company faces challenges in unproven technology, governance risks, and regulatory uncertainty, which has led to concerns about its $86 billion valuation. The clash of visions for AI development within the company reflects a larger dilemma in the industry about balancing progress with safety. In the realm of global markets, Japan shares hit 3-decade highs, while Asian shares remain mixed amid uncertainties about U.S. interest rates and the impact of Black Friday sales on the U.S. economy. The market valuations in Asia have already priced in aggressive global policy easing for next year, making for a slow start to the week. The UK's upcoming autumn statement and the holiday retail binge set off by Black Friday are also making waves, with expectations for tax cuts and measures to reignite growth in the UK economy. Meanwhile, in the US, Black Friday sales are eagerly anticipated, with hopes for a boost in consumer spending to support the economy. Speaking of technology, the drama surrounding Sam Altman's potential new ventures, including a semiconductor venture and a hardware device developed with former Apple designer Johnny Ive, adds an intriguing twist to the tech landscape. The upcoming earnings reports from companies like Nvidia, Lowe's, John Deere, Best Buy, and Zoom will also be closely watched, especially in light of the recent events at OpenAI. In conclusion, the tech and finance worlds are abuzz with developments that could have far-reaching implications. Balancing the pursuit of innovation with the need for safety and stability remains a key challenge for the industry. As we navigate these shifting landscapes, it's important to stay informed and engaged with the developments that shape our world. What are your thoughts on the recent events in the tech and finance world? Do you have any burning questions about the implications of these developments? Let's delve into the discussion and explore the fascinating complexities of our ever-evolving reality. Thank you for tuning in. The content above showcases the latest briefing reports and analytical synopses, thoughtfully curated by the 6Do team. These insights stem from a wide array of reputable media outlets, think tanks, government sources, and specialized experts worldwide. We encourage you to explore these sources for a comprehensive perspective. Keep in mind that while the content may not always align with the official standpoint of 6Do Brief, it's not meant to be taken as absolute directives for decision-making. Comprising seasoned media professionals, learned scholars, and accomplished scientists, the 6Do team embodies a trailblazing, fully independent media entity. To customize 6Do Brief to meet your professional needs, you have the option to subscribe to a diverse array of briefings on our website, 6dobrief.com. Regardless of your location, you can conveniently receive 6Do Brief via email.